Can married women have careers? Can married military women have careers? आज के हमारे एपिसोड में वी हैड सम ग्रेट कॉन्वर्सेशन विद अंकिता भटनागर मनराल. वो कौन है और क्या करती हैं ये तो आगे आपको पता चलेगा. पर फौज में शादी करने के बाद एक औरत के लिए करियर में क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं और कौन है वो औरतें जो इन सब स्टिग्मा से, प्रॉब्लम से, टैबू से आगे बढ़कर अपना करियर आगे निकाल रही हैं. क्या चाहिए एक औरत को आगे बढ़ने के लिए, किसका सपोर्ट और कैसी सोच, इन सब के बारे में वी हैड अ ग्रेट एपिसोड टुडे विद अंकिता एंड आई होप यू आल्सो लव द एपिसोड एज मच एज वी डिड व्हाइल शूटिंग इट. थैंक यू. शी हु वेट्स ऑल्सो सर्व्स. अगर आप लाइफ में कभी किसी मिलिट्री वाइफ से मिलें तो समझिएगा कि वो सिर्फ अपने पति को सपोर्ट नहीं कर रही है, उसके साथ साथ उसके बहुत सारे ऐसे सपने हैं जो शायद बैक सीट पर रखे जा रहे हैं ताकि उसके पति को अपने देश की सेवा करने का मौका मिल सके. वेलकम गाइस, टुडे ऑन आइस ब्रेकर विद छाया शर्मा वी हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट. मेरे इस इंट्रोडक्शन से आप समझ ही गए होंगे कि एक ऐसी मेहमान आज हमारे साथ है who is much more than just being a military wife. हमारे साथ हैं आज अंकिता भटनागर मनराल. वेलकम अंकिता.
थैंक यू छाया, थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी.
आज अंकिता को मैं इंट्रोड्यूस कराऊं उससे पहले मैं आपको अंकिता के ब्रांड के बारे में बता देती हूँ जो आई एम वेरी श्योर कि मेरी ऑडियंस बहुत वेल अवेयर होगी. हैप्पीली एवर लाफ्टर. कभी ना कभी कहीं ना कहीं आपने हैप्पीली एवर लाफ्टर से मिलिट्री मर्चेंडाइज जरूर खरीदा होगा, चाहे आप फौजी ब्राट हो, चाहे फौजी सर्विंग हो, या आपकी डिपेंडेंसी एक फौजी फैमिली से आती हो. उनकी मर्चेंडाइज, उनकी गिफ्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म आपने ज़रूर एक्सप्लोर किए होंगे और कोई ना कोई ऐसी चीज़ रही होगी जहाँ देखकर आपने कहा होगा येस दैट इज़ मी. सो प्लीज़ वेलकम अंकिता टू आवर शो टुडे. हाय अंकिता, हाउ आर यू?
आई एम ग्रेट छाया, थैंक यू फॉर दिस लवली इंट्रोडक्शन.
आई थिंक ऑल डिजर्व्ड.
You made my heart bigger in size. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You do that every day with your merchandise because
sweet.
like I can see, can you just show the cover to the camera also?
This is one of the things that I've made here.
Yes, so proud army wife. I think she makes all of us very proud. बहुत सारी मिलिट्री वाइफ्स है उनको और आज मुझे भी, बिकॉज मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ एंड शी इज केयर्ड एंड यू नो गिवन मी टाइम टू जॉइन अस हियर. अंकिता हैज स्टार्टेड दिस बिजनेस ऑफ हर्स विच इज आपसे समझना चाहती हूँ.
Surely.
So Ankita, if I start being very frank, when a woman marries a military man, फौज का एक बंदा है जो देश के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल कर रहा है. हर एक बंदा, चाहे वो एनसीओ हो, चाहे जीसीओ हो, चाहे ऑफिसर हो, हर एक की एक अपनी जगह है, अपना एक इम्पोर्टेंस है. बट जब वो ज्वाइन करते हैं उसके ड्यूटी और उसके ड्यूटी कॉल्स के पीछे उसकी फैमिली का बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट होता है.
Correct.
राइट? एंड स्पेशली व्हेन ही इज मैरिड एंड ही हैज अ वाइफ and children.
Yeah.
There are a lot of dreams who have to take a back seat because his duties have to take the front seat.
Absolutely.
My first and biggest point, ये point आपके साथ भी आया होगा because I know you are a Fauji brat yourself and then you are married into the military family.
Yes.
So can you just tell me and give a background of your whole life?
So I am my father's from the Air Force. My husband's in the army. I am when I was about to get mine is a love marriage. So when I told my parents about my husband, now husband, then boyfriend, and I told them कि I found a guy, इससे मुझे शादी करनी है. My parents were very happy. They were like, हाँ अच्छा लड़का है, this that. Then but my father, he sat me down and he asked me, he's like, you've seen this life as a बच्चा.
Exactly.
It is very different when you go on the other side. He's like, I know all that you've done for yourself in terms of education. And I know how important career is for you. So make a very informed decision. Don't make an emotional decision because it's going to impact your entire life. He told me this. And he's like, uske baad decision lo. We are very happy with the guy you've chosen. We're very happy if you want to lead this life. But it has to be a very well thought of decision on your part. Us time I took an emotional decision mostly. But I think for the first few years of my marriage, I was working and we were in a long distance marriage. Like most of us, हम अपना, मतलब a lot of people who want to continue working, they continue working and husbands are serving. After 2.5 years of marriage and 4 years of being together, 6.5 years total, I was like, अब मुझसे long distance नहीं होगा. We have to stay together. We cannot have a life like this. So when I quit my job, पहले तो I was very happy यार, मतलब you know relaxed life, ज़्यादा कुछ करना नहीं पड़ा. But then after a point, it started getting very irritating कि क्या कर क्या रही हूँ, I'm just sitting doing nothing. So I said कि यार ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा, I have to find a way. And luckily for us, in today's generation, we have laptops, we have internet access everywhere. I once got a call from somebody who was sitting in Siachen, he also had internet access. So matlab, if you have these two things, you can find a way for yourself. And to be honest, this brand was never the plan. Mera plan was just to sort of that time when I just quit my job, I used to just make comics out of my experiences as a new Fauji wife and someone who had just shifted into the wife duties, and I was posting them online. And a lot of people started relating to it. कि likes आने लगे, comments आने लगे कि वो मेरे साथ भी same चीज़ हुई थी, experience were matching because most of us have similar experiences. So that is how it began. And उसके बाद eventually, so I used to always do freelance work on the side because I'm a graphic designer. And that helped me in a way because वही laptop चाहिए था, internet चाहिए था. And because I was working earlier, I had a set of clients already with me. So it became easier. This started on the side. Happily Ever After was a side thing I was doing. But eventually it just became bigger and bigger. Then I was like, there's no point of the freelance work. This is taking more of my time. I got into this full time after that.
Right.
So that's how it sort of began for me.
First and foremost, ये नाम कहाँ से strike किया? It's, let me just add, and I'm admitting it to you, when I go to your page, it's all things vibrant, hopeful, supportive. मतलब I can't find one post that will make me feel कि maybe the person who has posted the content wasn't in such a great mood. वो अब आपका mood शायद रहा नहीं हो, but when that content comes online, it gives hope to a lot of us. Like,
Oh my.
I remember reading a piece जो आपने एक वीर नारी के लिए एक letter लिखा था. It touched my heart. And how are you always able to hit the chord, and how did you come up with this name which is so positive in itself? Like, it's so wholesome. मतलब उसको और कुछ adjective की ज़रूरत नहीं है, कोई और explanation नहीं required.
So sweet. So the name Chaya is a very funny story in a way. So when I started my journey as a freelancer, one of my very close friend was getting married. तो उसने कहा यार मेरे शादी का कार्ड you're a designer, तू बनाएगी. I made it for her. उसके बाद चल यार चल ये तो अच्छा बन गया, let's start a business of making wedding invitations only. I said okay. That time we thought of the name as Happily Ever After because it's Happily Ever After
and laughter.
तो laughter कर दिया हमने, but वो कभी हुआ ही नहीं. We never took on with it कि हम लोग यही करेंगे. She started her own wedding trousseau line and studio and stuff, and I got into corporate. But then when like I told you, I moved back to my husband and I started making these comics. That time I used to call my page Adventures of Batman.
Okay.
Because I'm Bhatnagar, my husband is Manral, so I used to call it Batman. So, but I found वो पूरा restrictive हो रहा था. मतलब everything I was posting was not our adventures. It was generic stuff also. So I went back to the name, and it sort of related back to my stuff now. Why? How? Because whatever Fauji content you see is all about machoism and heroism and हम देश की रक्षा, which is true. But that is only the people who are serving. But people who are behind those people who are serving, they have real emotions, happiness, laughter. I wanted to bring the emotional quotient of Fauji families into this page, and I wanted to take it away from just the veerta and just make it more holistic. So that's why I thought I wanted to continue with the name Happily Ever After, bring smiles to the peoples who are related to this fraternity. That's how I stuck to the name Happily Ever After after that.
So it's completely your own brainchild. Completely.
The brand?
Yeah.
It is.
My God.
Well, I don't want to be trying to be humble but not being humble, but yes, it is.
No.
So yeah.
You have to be very proud of the fact that you've come up with something which is so unique. I don't think अभी तक कोई और है मिलिट्री जो इतना बड़ा फैमिली अपने आप में है, उतनी बड़ी फैमिली को केटर करने के लिए, इतना सेंस ऑफ प्राइड इवोक करने के लिए, आई डोंट थिंक एनीबडी एल्स इज एग्जिस्टिंग राइट नाउ. एवरी पीस दैट यू क्यूरेट, मैं एक्चुअली मेरा सवाल ये भी होने वाला था कि जो कॉपीज़ हैं या जो क्रिएटिव्स हैं आपके, वो लिखता कौन है? इट्स यू ओनली?
It's me only. It's me only. So basically, whenever in our everyday life in this 4G environment, you keep hearing things. You know, sometimes when you're new into the 4G, like, इस word का meaning क्या होता है? Because as a regular person, तुम सुनते नहीं हो words.
Right.
So that thing just registers in my brain somehow. And I have this copy notebook where I keep jotting down things.
Okay.
And then eventually when I get time तो मैं इसको ना categorize करती रहती हूँ कि अच्छा this will work अगर कोई veteran के लिए कुछ बनाओ I can use this quote there and you know this and sometimes you come across something on the internet or you hear a song and you hear a line and you're like यार this line could work so well there.
Right.
So I keep jotting it down. And then when I have to make something new फिर मैं वो copy खोलती हूँ कि यार मुझे stickers बनाने हैं आज. I have to make a sticker for a brat for example. So I've used this I can use this I can twist in a way and it happens like that.
Nice.
So yeah.
So do you remember your very first customer?
I do actually. So when I launched the brand, I did not launch it online first. It was offline first, and I just wanted to see response कैसा आता है. So I did an exhibition in Delhi, and I was very nervous because I had no idea. मैंने सामान बनवा लिया, कोई खरीदने आएगा नहीं आएगा. I had no idea.
Right.
तो हमने कैंटीन के सामने एक स्टॉल, there was a facility कि you can book a stall. तो मैंने वो स्टॉल बुक किया था. And I remember it was अगस्त था एंड बारिश हो रही थी काफ़ी ज़्यादा. उस दिन मतलब रेन का प्रिडिक्शन था, लाइक शिट कोई नहीं आने वाला मेरे स्टॉल पे, फर्स्ट स्टॉल कोई नहीं आएगा. सो आई रीच देयर, मी एंड माई ब्रदर एंड माई ब्रदर्स फ्रेंड्स एंड माई कजन सिस्टर, दे वर ऑल हेल्पिंग मी. तो हम लोग सेटअप कर रहे थे एंड आई थिंक इट वॉज फ्रॉम 11 o'clock, ऐसे 10:30 11 के आसपास था. वी रीच एट 7:30 क्या सेटअप करना है, किसी को आइडिया नहीं करना क्या है. 8 o'clock माई फर्स्ट कस्टमर केम. द टाइम वॉज 11 o'clock.
Okay.
And there was a sweet girl and she's like, I stay somewhere in Delhi and she had to go to Gurgaon for work. तो she said मैं अगर चली गई गुड़गांव वापस आई सामान नहीं बचेगा, इसलिए मैं पहले ही आ गई देखने के लिए कि आप अगर रेडी हो तो मैं पहले ही खरीद लूँ. I was like so sweet of her. Her name was Prerna. I still remember how happy I was that you know I could see her coming in through and I knew it's the real because there was nothing around. And she just came, she's like, hello, actually I'm going to office, मैं पहले ही आपका सामान ले सकती हूँ क्या? I still remember how positivity filled I was when I saw that, just her coming in for my
That rush of emotions.
I was like, oh my god, somebody's come, like literally come for me before time. So yeah, Prerna, I remember Prerna was the first customer.
So Prerna still gets a discount on Happy. And the biggest compliment, if you remember any, you've received for something?
My biggest compliment is actually more on the motherhood side of it. Like not whenever, but just being told that I'm doing a good job as a mother, that you know I'm somehow giving him the right tools in life and helping him become a more compassionate, my son becoming a more compassionate, more loving child. That is more of a compliment to me than my brand. Every time someone says that I recognize your brand is enough for me. That is like, chalo theek hai, people, my work, my style is now, you know, understood by people.
We don't need a trademark. I think everybody is now recognizing what is Happily Ever After, or we can recognize the copy and the original. That is true, I think, sign of success, isn't it?
I don't know, maybe.
It is. So, just tell me, ki when you joined your husband back, it was what, 6.5 years after marriage?
2.5 years after marriage, 4 years of dating before that, 6.5 of years of us being together.
Okay. तो ज्वाइन करते तो ये रहा होगा कि ओके अभी हमें टाइम मिला है साथ में, जैसे एक हर यंग कपल का होता है, हैज हैपेंड विद मी आल्सो, कि अभी वी हैव गॉट टाइम टुगेदर, वील गो टू मूवीज, वील हैव गुड टाइम, फौज में एक साथ एज अ कपल रहेंगे. How long did that phase last?
So my decision to join him was very silly because when I joined him, he was going for a course in Mao, you know which course. He had no time for me and I was like, मैं क्यों आई हूँ यहाँ पे?
Right.
I could have continued working longer in that span of time. So those 2.5-3 months that he was doing the course is when I started making these comments because he had no time and I had to do something with my life and not let it go waste. उसके बाद honestly speaking, उसके बाद कोर्स आता गया and we had no time.
You had to kill time.
I had to find time to do something of my own in a way which worked for me today.
Yeah.
But otherwise, अब जाके I feel like now थोड़ा सा seniority आ गई, मतलब I don't want to say anything, but you know you feel like now there's a बच्चा also involved, we have a proper family running. Now we have more time for each other, especially weekends we take time out. But उससे पहले he was just super busy. या तो पढ़ाई हो रही या तो फौज के काम चल रहे हैं. There was no time at all.
और ये merchandise वाला आइडिया कि जब आपने ज्वाइन किया होगा, you were doing comics and all, but अगर वो एक डेड एंड आया कि ओके दिस इज नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर सॉलिड, अभी मुझे सोचना है, आई कांट डू अ जॉब, आई एम श्योर This is around 2019, 2020.
17, 17, 18.
18. तो उस टाइम ऐसा वर्क फ्रॉम होम और हाइब्रिड जॉब्स का भी कल्चर नहीं था.
Yeah.
तो यू मस्ट बी वांटिंग टू डू समथिंग कि मैं साथ भी रह पाऊँ. एंड
Correct.
तो was military merchandise the first idea that hit your head, या कोई और चीजें भी थी that you were scratching कि हाँ this is also one of the things that I can do?
So, no, merchandise was never the plan, never.
Okay.
Having a brand of mine was never the plan because I talk a lot, but otherwise I'm a very shy person. I think I'm a very shy person. So it's very difficult for me to go and approach people. And I know if I have to run my own brand, I have to do a lot of those things, you know, like selling myself and
Marketing yourself.
marketing myself better and, you know, speaking about my brand better, Joe, I don't think I'm very good at. I feel very awkward in talking about. So if I'm carrying this phone also now, my husband will be like, देखा देखा अंकिता ने बनाया है, but मुझसे खुद से नहीं बुलाता कि यार देख मैंने ये बनाया है. I can't do it. I can't sort of talk about my own product. So it was never the plan. I'm a graphic designer by profession otherwise. So I was very sure कि कुछ नहीं होगा तो I'll stick to graphics. I'll do freelance work. I had a bunch of, I still do. In fact, I'd make logos, branding, काफी कुछ करती. I still do it on the side. Caricatures I do, a lot of those things. So that was my plan, that I will have a sort of design studio when I'll do branding and caricatures and stuff.
Right.
Because that is the core competency of my profession.
Right.
But I'm just lucky that I was able to sort of find a way to merge my life, my personal life, which is the life that I lead, with my profession and come up with a brand for that in a way. So it just came out of
Touch wood
nowhere.
to that.
Yeah, touch wood to that. So it just happened. Honestly, and when I started making comics, people started asking me, "Yaar, can you make a poster for this for me?"
Oh.
That's where it struck me, yaar, maybe there is a scope that I can do. उसमें कुछ बन सकता है.
Right. Singular pieces. Out
Singular
of that,
pieces.
yes.
Because in the market for 4Gs existing, आपकी units के लिए सामान
बिल्कुल.
है ना? For आपके academies के लिए सामान है. But what about the people who are in the families?
Exactly.
है ना?
Exactly.
Because we also have a sense of pride towards this life that we are leading. We have a sense of belongingness to the fraternity. And we don't have any representation for that. So I just made it for that sect of people. I think it's a very niche market, but it's a market close to my heart. So
Something that you have tapped and probably opened doors for.
yes.
And I think एक वो है ना कि another thing I had seen कि आपने लिखा था कि silent ranks and silently holding the fort.
Yeah.
That clearly conveys that you have understood the emotion of a military wife. I'll speak for the military wives first because you yourself are a living example of that कि सब कुछ आपने देखा है. आप समझते हो कि I have met women in फौज, I myself being there at one point कि highly educated women, and that's 90% of the lot.
Yeah.
Highly educated, they were doing great work
Yeah.
before they got married. अभी ऐसा तो नहीं है कि एक फौजी से शादी करना कोई गलती है. फौजी बंदे की भी शादी होगी. He would also marry somebody. They also fall in love. They also get married. But कहीं ना कहीं
It affects.
या तो you can choose a personal life or you can choose a professional life and then you have no personal life. You are living,
Separately.
miles apart. Or if you take that decision of living together, then the only person who can sacrifice is the woman. Because
Absolutely.
Fauj is not something that can take a back seat. So
Absolutely.
for a woman like that, and especially when आपने बोला कि आपके पापा probably because from experience he knew कि ये problem आएगी, you were able to tackle that.
Yeah.
And it worked out for you. But there you must have also met women of the same kind जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छे flourishing careers पीछे छोड़े हैं to be by their husband's side, and now they're struggling to find their roots and to
Absolutely.
keep themselves busy. Any thought on that you have?
My mother's an example of that. My mother, she's from Lady Shri Ram College. She's done her master. She's done bachelor's in history. Then she's done studies in IGNOU. She's done mass communication. She's done astrology. She's done so much studying. But eventually, because of the nature of Papa's job, she had to have something which was something that could keep moving. So she took up teaching as a profession because that is the one thing that everyone can do. But she's much more than that.
Right.
To her, there's so much to her personality more than that. But she had to compromise it for that. But this is a different generation of Fauji wives. Thankfully for us, that's why I said we can do so much more today in today's world, and I see that. I have a friend who is a lawyer, and she is running her own firm. So she goes wherever she has another partner, and her firm is based in Pune. So she goes everywhere with her husband, wherever her husband is posted. She takes seminars there. She takes lectures everywhere. She's always on call with her clients and stuff. And the main partner is handling everything in Pune. So she's found a way to work her way around this job. Now, thanks to COVID and hybrid and stuff, people are able to work. I have friends who are working in ENY, PwC, 4G Wives. running a proper 9 to 5 jobs while staying with their husband wherever the husband is posted. There are people, content creators, they're doing so well for themselves. So we are lucky to be in a generation where these things are available to us. It's only on us now.
Yeah.
कि हम कहाँ अपना niche ढूंढ के we fit ourselves in. So I think it's not an excuse anymore कि अब मुझे छोड़ना पड़ेगा because I am a फौजी wife now. It's not an excuse. It's on you. अगर आपको ढूंढना है तो आप ढूंढ लोगे. You will find a way to find work. For me also, like I've done my graduation from NIFT. Now, if I was not doing this, I'm not running a brand of my own. I can find, if I get posted to a small place like, for example, Hisar, it's relatively small. I'm sure there are coaching institutes there. Children who want to join NIFT, for example, or any other. There's hundreds of things I can find a way to do. So it's on to me. मुझे कितना करना है. So yeah, this is what I have to say. मतलब if you have the zeal, अगर आपको अंदर से है that fire कि नहीं यार, I don't want to be sitting at home. नहीं भी that's, I mean, I don't want to negate anything. But if you have it, then being a फौजी wife is not an excuse for it.
Right.
यार मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. Because करा पाओगे, it'll take extra effort from you, but you have it in you.
Yeah.
You have it. You just have to find it.
Right. And
So-
anyway, you've chosen the tough life.
You've
as
chosen
it
a tough
is.
life, yes. But ये भी है कि if somebody, like I come from a background where I knew what to expect. There are ladies who come with who don't know कि यार ऐसा होने वाला है. So a lot of onus also falls on the partners to explain to their wives or explain to the partners before they get married कि this is an expectation that, not expectation, but this is something you will face in this life, or you'll have to put in extra struggle for your career. You will have to do it. It is an unfortunate truth of this life that you have to put in extra struggle if you have to work. So yeah, and I feel we were having a conversation before also about lady officers. I feel unka देखो मतलब they are next level.
Actually.
They are next level. How are they able to manage so much together? They are an inspiration for me. Like literally, I feel like they are true rock stars. सब कर लेते हैं यार. They're able to run a family in different states. Have the children who grow up like that. They're so lucky to see their mothers so versatile and being able to do everything on her own,
Right.
while also running a career, while also being at the same level as the spouse, the partner. I think it's great.
And
It's
it's
just
not,
about finding your way.
it's not even a normal 9 to 5.
It
It's
is
a
not.
fauji job that a woman is doing along with taking care of the kids, along with running the house, along with managing the personal life with the
Absolutely.
partner and the family life with her own family and the partner's family.
And shifting, going to
Yeah.
what not places.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
TDs आदि उनकी भी सब कुछ होता है, and
बहुत कुछ
it's
होता है. It's
too much to
adding-
handle. It's a lot to handle, and they do it so brilliantly.
And I think आजकल जो मैंने एक चीज़ देखी है, for like just like you said कि those who want to make it work or who want to make a way for themselves will be able to. Nowadays, Forge is also giving that platform.
Absolutely, yes.
I have seen it, units, commands, or wherever you're posted, your Forgy environment or the station, they have certain types of, because they are open to inculcating that education to the families, to the children, to the
Yes.
ladies. वो options खुल गए. If you have a certain expertise or if you feel कि यार मेरे एक certain certification से I might be able to adjust or make myself fitting into that Forgy equation. वो आ रही है women who are good with dancing, they are running dancing courses
Correct.
for people. Women who are able to offer any other kind of certification जो एक say unit wants to do for their people, or there is
Yoga.
any exactly
So many
yoga.
things.
Yoga is such a good thing. पहले हुआ करता था कि भाई teaching is the only option.
Yeah.
But just for the audience reference की पहली बात तो not everybody has the teaching aptitude.
And no one, if you can't beat it, don't do it, because
Don't do it
it's
just for the heck of it.
people's future in your hand. Then
Exactly,
don't take it lightly.
exactly.
Yeah.
And secondly कि जब आप teaching में भी जा रहे हो, it's not easy कि आप कहीं गए, you get posted and you get a teaching job.
Yeah.
You won't get the money that you're looking for. You
Yeah.
won't get a position you're looking for.
Yeah.
और ऐसा नहीं कि आपके जाते ही there's a vacancy and they are looking for you. तो वहाँ पर you have to be open once you sign up for the job. But there's also another angle to it. I know women who marry, वही बात है, knowingly, unknowingly, चाहे first generation हो, चाहे second हो, we kind of get adapted to it very well.
Yeah.
But जैसे content creators की बात हुई, I am very happy, to be very honest, I am one person who's very happy to see content being made around Forge also. It's a big family.
Yeah.
अगर से मूवीज के बारे में बन रहा है, अगर पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में बन रहा है, अगर पॉडकास्ट हो रहे हैं, सो व्हाई कांट पीपल हु आर पार्ट ऑफ इट मेक कंटेंट रिलेटेड टू दैट. दैट इज माय लाइफ.
Yeah.
दैट इज समथिंग आई एम लिविंग. दैट इज
Correct.
समथिंग which is very normal to me. When you are seeing it as a civilian, you are feeling that, you know, XYZ woman is, you know,
Showcasing for us in
yeah,
certain way.
कि you know, फायदा उठा रहे हैं या वेले हैं या it is not that. First of all, I want to put it out there कि women who are putting that, first you need to have a funny bone to make it.
Yeah.
Like you have a funny bone. I really believe कि आपका creative streak में जैसे आप उसे manifest कर रहे हो in your merchandise, some women are doing it in content, and because content is right now the king.
Yeah.
कि content creation is one thing which everybody is doing. Somebody is doing in fashion, somebody is funny, they're
Yeah.
making reels. It's not everybody's cup of tea.
Yeah.
So it does not necessarily mean कि वो वेली है या she's riding on somebody's ranks or anything. It is part of their general life.
Yeah.
People who are not there are probably seeing it like that.
Yeah.
So I personally feel that trolling and all that calling out is name calling and all that is just completely unnecessary.
You can't. Trolls are the villa people actually. You
Exactly.
really, I think you should not give two hoots to them. But also saying that, I feel like if you're living a certain life in a fraternity, it's a life. They'll have ups and downs. But I just feel, personally, I'm not a big fan of people only putting out the negatives.
I agree.
I don't enjoy that at
Yes,
all.
yes.
You know, people just bringing it down for the sake of getting a few more likes or just for the sake of content.
Right.
That's something I don't personally
I
propagate.
don't- बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So, because you're living a certain life, thanks to this organization. If you're, I mean, I don't say you owe anything to them, but I don't think it's right to negate it
I think
in a
you
way.
do because शायद वो I don't know the lot we are talking about. There's a sense of pride that automatically comes
Yeah.
the moment you become a part of that cantonment or of around that uniform.
Correct.
There's a certain sense of pride and whatever it is. अगर मैं एक job की तरह भी देखूं, it is your bread and butter. Even if you had been in a corporate, you cannot go and mock that
Your
job or
organization.
where your money is coming from जिससे आपका
Exactly.
घर चल रहा है.
Exactly.
So there are problem areas everywhere.
Everywhere.
9 to 5 को लेके भी jokes बनते हैं. As long as it's harmless, as long as it's not putting down anything,
Yeah.
take it. It's like pinch of salt के साथ
Exactly.
देने का
Nothing
लगा
is
और-
perfect.
Exactly.
Nothing
Nothing
is perfect.
But then there is so much good that is coming out of there. Let's just try to focus on that.
Yeah.
और मतलब कई बार ये भी होता है. I faced it. That I remember. I put a reel of my house and I'd shown कि there are, you know, when we enter the house, how is it? It is like cobwebs and so much is there. And then
You change it.
हमारा आपका सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंग इतना हो जाता है उस 2 घर के रूम के क्वार्टर से कि आप पूरा बदल देते हैं. और राइट नाउ व्हेन आई एम लिविंग हियर आई ऑलवेज कीप थिंकिंग ऑफ माय
Yeah.
क्वार्टर बैक.
I know what you mean.
तो बट देन पीपल विल ऑलवेज कम बैक एंड फाइंड नेगेटिव कि तुम उसमें वो दिखा रहे. इट इज जस्ट जनरल थिंग.
Yeah.
कोई भी आप नया घर लोगे उसमें गंदगी होगी, कॉबवेब्स होंगे, पेंट के मार्क्स होंगे, वो सारी चीजें. बट देन those people can do it, we cannot.
Yeah.
Let's just try to maintain that certain level of dignity.
Absolutely. And of course, matlab, just if you evaluate your own life, do you actually feel that it's bad? If it's not bad, then why do you want to focus on that part?
Exactly.
है ना? Just focus on, I mean, not because happily ever after सब कुछ happy होना है, but the fact of the matter is it's not so bad. There'll be pricks everywhere, yaar, but look at the roses, na. There's so many. I feel a sense of safety the minute I enter a cat. I don't care about कौन है आसपास.
बिल्कुल,
it's just,
बिल्कुल.
I want to talk about that instead of saying that यार मेरा घर खराब है.
Hmm.
I want to focus on this feeling that I get when I live this life.
I can
That's how
agree
it
to
is.
that. I was rather having that conversation with some NCO the other day. I said कि the moment I'm inside a cantonment, even if it is a very like due to my work, I keep traveling and I'm in the most randomest of cantonment. चाहे वो ले चले जाओ, चाहे आप जैसे आपका एग्जाम्पल है कि सियाचिन नॉर्थ ईस्ट कहीं भी चले जाओ, you see a man in a uniform,
You feel safe.
you feel safe.
Yeah.
You know कि you are taken care of. अब आप इनसे किसी भी तरीके की हेल्प मांग लोगे, he'll give out his best to help you.
Absolutely.
So that's
you can
something
go for a walk at 11 o'clock at night.
I've
अगर-
done that.
You feel like कुछ नहीं होगा,
नहीं
बाहर
होगा.
नहीं कर सकते. You can't do it outside of a can.
Exactly. I want to bring up my children in a cantonment. That's my only biggest reason. Besides the privilege कि हाँ यार हम देश के we are in the nation building and nation protection somehow.
Yeah.
Maybe as a silent rank holders as you say. But at least my children will have a safe environment. I don't care for the fancy schools. I
Yeah.
want that protected environment कि मेरा बच्चा अगर रात को 11 बजे भी किसी और के घर खेलने गया, I need not worry.
Absolutely. So true. I mean, we were staying outside on rent because we were waiting for accommodation. And then we moved in after 20 months. And there was a stark difference in how I was feeling when my son was going to the park. Abhi he also does, like children do, he's 3 years old. So he does all the danga in the world. But somehow वहाँ पे versus now I feel like गाड़ी भी आगे तो the car will stop for him, you know, the car, there will be no, even if a one ton is coming, I know for a fact कि वो रुक जाएंगे, इसको कुछ होगा नहीं, like people will take care of him. So that safety is really, that belongingness and safety that you feel, चाहे वो कोई भी, चाहे you don't have a house in that camp, but you enter a camp, it feels like home.
The moment you marry a military man, बहुत सारी पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एक नॉर्मल मैरिड वुमन की तरह तो आ ही जाती है, बट देन द मोमेंट यू बिकम अ लेडी, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज कुछ और भी आ जाती हैं, ऑन पार्ट ऑफ फौज, ऑन पार्ट ऑफ द यूनिट, ऑन पार्ट ऑफ द रैंक्स. हाउ डिड यू मैनेज टू हैव दिस ड्रीम इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस, टू एग्जीक्यूट इट as beautifully as you have? I just want to know फौजी ड्यूटीज एंड हैप्पीली एवर लाफ्टर
कैसे बैलेंस हो रहा है,
कैसे बैलेंस, कैसे शुरुआत हुई और कैसे कर पा रहे हो आप? इट्स अ क्लासिक आई थिंक केस स्टडी फॉर ऑल फौजी वाइफ्स राइट नाउ.
So I'd say that, you know, when I jumped into it, मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था कैसे होगा, मतलब that thought was never there कि कैसे मैनेज होगा, मैंने बस शुरू कर दिया. एंड उसके बाद से आई डोंट नो इफ यू कॉल इट लक और चांस या जो भी बोलो, अभी तक टचवुड वी हैव द पोस्टिंग्स दैट वी हैव हैड, माय हस्बैंड हैज हैड, इतना कुछ स्ट्रेसफुल फौजी वाइफ ड्यूटीज़ हुई नहीं है. बट ऑल्सो व्हेन वी वर लिविंग दो स्ट्रेसफुल फौजी वाइफ ड्यूटीज़ वाला पार्ट, आई रियलाइज दैट द टफ पार्ट इज, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई इवेंट आने वाला है और देयर सम फॉर्मल फंक्शन विच नीड्स यू अराउंड, एंड दैट्स अ मैटर ऑफ अ फ्यू डेज वेर यू टू पुट इन दैट एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट. अदरवाइज इट्स फेयरली लाइक ऑन अ plateau, right?
Okay.
कभी कभी आपको like a month में once or twice, thrice maybe, you'll have to go for 2-3 hours. It's doable. And in my case, I am the only one sole employee of my organization, so I am not answerable to anybody. I can take leaves whenever I want. The only people I'm answerable to are my customers. So in that case, what I've done is I have already informed that I will be taking 7 to 10 days to dispatch your order. So even though I can do it like 2-3 days, but I don't want to give anybody hopes, because I know कि Fauji wife duties might crop up anytime. Plus, being a mother, I don't want to, you know, have to compromise on or give out timelines which I'll not be able to keep. So in my case, it has worked out for me where I am not answerable to, and I don't have an employee also that I need to, you know, adjust my timelines to.
Okay.
I am my own boss in a way, so I'm able to balance it for now.
Right.
But eventually, if I think of having a team, then probably I'll have to figure out how that will work out for me. As of now, it's going smoothly. Touch wood.
Right.
God hope it continues like that. But yeah, so I feel Fauji wife duties इतनी stressful अभी तक मेरे को नहीं मिली है. And I have been lucky that the Fauji wife duties I've got, the senior ladies that have been with me, they've sort of, I've told them these are my strengths, these are what I can pitch in, and they've sort of been happy to let me work on my strengths. So I've always enjoyed them. For example, we were in down south and there was a big event happening there. I said creativity is my forte. I would love to do the decor and the invitations, and they were like, okay, do it. So I enjoy doing that, and they were happy that they had someone to take part in that, taking care of that. So it worked out. So I think it's best, if I have to give a piece of advice, unsolicited advice to people, is to be clear to your senior ladies or to people you're working with that these are my cards and I play them well. I would love for you to, I'm happy to work with you, but these are my strengths. Let me play on my strengths. अगर आप मुझे बोलोगे कि MC करो, I have bad stage fright. I will make a complete joke of myself. I will be cursing you कि आपने मुझे MC में डाल दिया, and then that just becomes you become resentful, right?
Exactly.
तो अगर आप पहले से बता दोगे कि देखो मैं MC नहीं कर सकती हूँ, but I am very happy to आप मुझे ये दो ये दो मैं कर लूँगी. कुछ करना तो है ना eventually. मतलब the machinery has to keep working and you are a part of the machinery. So you have to do it. Like you can't be like one clock जो खराब है कि मैं तो नहीं करूँगी, because you're a part of the system. So you have to be a part of the system. Don't be, but you say that I'm the oil. I'm not this thing, but I'm the oil. So I'll be the oil and I'll make the machinery run in my way. But I'll keep the machinery running. That's all.
Oh my God, that's like I said, like the whole happily ever after page. I understand that whole source of positivity because I understand. जैसे आपने अपना एक खुद का business चला रखा है, you are the whole soul person running it. The main source, fuel, power, everything is you. But then there are women who are working from home, living in a cantonment, and sometimes there are stories कि my unit is not cooperating, my senior ladies are not giving me that leeway to work. बट जस्ट हाउ ब्यूटिफुली यू पुट ना, मेरा अगला सवाल जो होने वाला था मुझे लगता है वो वहीं फुल स्टॉप आ गया कि थोड़ा सा सपोर्ट आई थिंक आपको भी रखना पड़ेगा, क्लैरिटी रखनी पड़ेगी, यू हैव टू टेल वेयर योर लाइन इज, बट आई विल ऑल्सो बी पुटिंग माई फुट फॉरवर्ड to be a part of the system because you have signed up for it.
Exactly. You're a part of it.
Part of it.
You're a part.
exactly.
You're not staying outside. अगर आपको नहीं part होना तो फिर आप totally part मत हो. अगर आप part हो तो you also have to play your part. You can't just be like मैं बस हूँ यहाँ पे. Right? So that's my
Great. Actually very great. मुझे काफी अच्छा पर्सपेक्टिव मिल गया है. एक और चीज मुझे बताइए, ये तो हो गई फौजी वाइफ ड्यूटीज, आपने शादी करके ज्वाइन कर लिया, आपने बैलेंस भी बहुत अच्छा कर लिया. लुकिंग एट यू आई नो यू आर वेरी काम पर्सन हु is able to
ask
manage
my
a lot of-
husband. You can ask this question to my
Every
husband.
husband feels कि उसकी वाली वाइफ मैनेज नहीं हो सकती, but I think you are quite good at that. Recently क्या बोलूँ, मतलब it's my first interaction with you. You have a baby also now, and then you have a doggo also.
Yes.
फिर कैसे मैनेज होता है with a child? मतलब when a child comes आपका तो पूरा life goes in a 360-degree turn.
It did happen with me also. My son is now 3 years old.
Yeah.
Now I finally feel कि हाँ अब थोड़ा सा he understands. Like for example, when I had to come here also, I told him that Mama has to go for work. He understood कि Mama will go for a few hours. But initial first year was tough for me also. We were also in the middle of COVID, so work was not so much then. But when I had to get back to work, it was new territory for me. I didn't know how I will be able to work also, plus do motherhood also. But again, I took the jump for it, and I realized that I felt better after I started working. It was not to say that I don't like being a mother. I love being his mom, but it was taking a toll on me. I was like, this is not my only role in life. I don't want to be just a mom.
Right.
And I realized even though I was taking baby steps into work, I was just doing. There was an event happening, Fauj ka event tha. I made the invitation for them. And just that they said, "Ma'am, this has come out so nice. This is so wonderful." That validation also is to make me feel happy. I'm not lost it. I'm not just a mom. I'm still also good at something else.
Exactly.
So and also it was also a thing that I didn't want my son to feel that only the men folk work. That was also like a big pusher in my life.
Exactly.
Ki mummy also has to go to, mama also works, even though she works at home, but she also works. She's also equal in every single thing. So that sort of a thing was there with me. But the first year was really tough.
Okay.
And we're getting better.
Any particular instance you remember जब लगा कि things have gotten tougher than earlier और अब?
It still happens. Like right now also my schedule is not my schedule. My schedule is based on him, my son. Right? Because see, if he goes to a play school for 3 hours in a day. Now those 3 hours are the only free time I have in the entire day to do anything I want to do.
Right.
And I also want to do yoga. I want to go for my, I want to meet my friends. There's so many things. Chores I need to finish in the house. वो 3 घंटे में सब कुछ करना है. उसके बाद 3 घंटे में when he comes back, then he goes to the park in the evening. But between that time, it's all like अगर मैं सो गया तो I will be able to do something. अगर नहीं सोया तो I have to alter my day का plans as per that.
Yeah.
So it feels tough every single day. I think every single day, like you said, calm person. You have to ask my husband. In the middle of office, I'll call him. I think this is just impossible. I cannot do this. So that happens very often with me also. But now that he's growing up, I think it's getting easier. And it's fun because, whenever, if you go to a friend's house, if sometimes I spot my products in the wild, किसी घर के सामने टंगा हुआ है, he recognizes it.
Oh, how
He's like,
cute.
Mama, your work. He says, your works. Mama, your works.
Oh,
So he says that and it just feels happy then. Ki,
Right,
he also knows now that this is something that Mama has made.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So, मतलब ये तो आपका बेटा पहचानने लग गया है, हम तो बहुत अच्छे से पहचानते हैं. आई एम अ कंप्लीट आई थिंक रेगुलर कस्टमर फ्रॉम योर वेबसाइट. नाउ दैट हैप्पीली एवर लाफ्टर इज ह्यूज. आई नो इट एंड आई नो इट फ्रॉम द पीपल आई नो. दे ऑर्डर वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली. सो आर यू ऑलरेडी हैविंग कॉम्पिटिशन बिकॉज दिस फ्रेटर्निटी इज वेरी क्लोज?
Yeah.
As much as I know, you are the first mover in this industry. और कोई ये काम कर नहीं रहा था, अगर कर भी रहा था, they were not doing it as beautifully as you are. इतना fun, इतना relatability, इतना sense of pride. आज तक मैंने अगर मैं मार्केट में जाके खरीदूँ, मुझे 1-2 प्रोडक्ट मिल सकते, बट इतना amazing content मैंने कहीं नहीं देखा. So are you already facing competition? Are there people who are trying to, because it's, see, creativity, creative products, designing is something थोड़ा बहुत ट्वीक करके people might be already being your second or third copies. So are you facing that? And if yes, then how are you dealing with that?
So there are a few other brands who are doing similar work. I would not say same because the ones who've been there together, साथ में with along with me पहले से, we sort of are respectful of each other and nobody crosses any boundaries कि यार same चीज़ बना दी. But finally, like you said, design is such a easy thing to copy, and in today's world सब कुछ मतलब आप एक iPad ले आओ, एक iPad pencil ले आओ, उस पर सब कुछ बैठ trace कर लो. It's so easy to do it. So yes, it's happening. It is happening. I won't lie. Unfortunately, it is happening with me also. I see a lot of people try to do similar things, but I feel confident that my ideas are my own. If somebody else is copying, they're coming one day after me or whatever. Like they're coming after me, and it's coming into my brain first, and that is my winning point for me. Apart from that, I feel that the fraternity is so small that people will finally understand कि किसने बनाया, किसने नहीं बनाया, किसने कौन पहले आया, कौन बाद में आया.
True.
So that's true. And after a point, how much can you copy? You have to have originality after a point. अब नहीं है तो it takes more than just copying a design and getting it printed to stay in a business. If you can do that, kudos to you. I mean, I'm happy to have competition. It's fun to have competition. It keeps everybody's blood flowing. It's fun to have every day to get up and say यार आज मुझे I have to do better than yesterday. It's fun to do that. But yeah, so competition है.
But then quality and originality always, I think, floats the boat. Yeah?
Yeah, let's hope that, I mean, I know that people recognize my work now, and that is good for me because people send me messages on Instagram as well saying that, hey, I saw this, is this yours? They say it. It's coming to me. Wherever it's happening, people are sending messages already. Now I am choosing the battles I want to fight.
Right.
Certain battles I know there's no point in fighting them because I'm just wasting my breath on this. But when it comes to doing it, I know that I will be able to fight that battle also. And plus, I am a registered business now, so there are also legal implications involved with people who are blatantly copying.
Right.
And when it comes to it, I will take action if required.
Any plans on, now that you are, part of this, you are hugely dealing with it and you are completely the master of it. Any plans of, say, job generation for Fauji women or fellow military wives, जहाँ आप थोड़ा सा, if we say, in a CSR way, कि हम कुछ give back कर सकते हैं या कुछ जिन्हें शायद हर बंदा एक business शुरू नहीं कर सकता है.
Correct.
शायद job platform सबके लिए इतना easy नहीं है आजकल. It's very easy to assume कि work from home job मिल जाएगा या remote working मिल जाएगा. It's not that easy still.
Yeah.
तो do you plan, अगर कभी team बनाएंगे, do you have a criteria कि I want to give job opportunities to military wives and
Absolutely. I really want to start with this, but I just don't know how to start it. Like I feel my hands are full, and every day, every single day of working Chaya, I feel like I wish someone was helping me with this. But I am still trying to figure out a system जहाँ मैं I can employ. My thing is that I have to do a lot of packaging and shipping things out. So उसमें I need physical presence. So working from home is difficult. No content and all I can make, but also that I feel like the style that I have is something I make with my hand. How much of that can I outsource?
right?
Operations and all, I need somebody more full time than I need somebody remotely working. So I'm trying to figure out a system of somebody who can help me remotely. I don't know how to do it, but I'm working on it. I really have to do it.
That'll be
It's either wives or even I'm okay to have Fauji brats also working, like kids who are in college now who are looking for summer jobs or summer internships and stuff. I'm happy to do that, but how is the question? But I'm working on it. I will be doing it.
That's so great. And I think Happily Ever Laughter is some brand that I somehow can foresee doing it. मैं honestly बता रही हूँ because all that supportive behavior that I see on your products or on your page or in your personality in general, I think it is something which you will be able to execute. शायद वो रास्ता भी ढूंढ रहे हो. You are in that COVID time again जहाँ थोड़ा scratching चल रही है. But you will be there. I'm so grateful to have this conversation, Ankita.
Thank you,
because I've dealt with that struggle myself, and I know a lot of women are. But knowing your perspective, how you've made it work, few clarities that a lot of us need about balancing work and about balancing the pride and the responsibilities that we are also supposed to take over.
Yeah.
As mature married women, it is such a fresh perspective, the way you're balancing your home, your child, your doggo and your brand. It is everything is just, we all are very thankful for Happily Ever Laughter,
Thank
एंड
you
आई
so
जस्ट
much.
होप इट मल्टीप्लाइज मैनी फोल्ड. एंड अभी तो मुझे नहीं पता कि नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू के लिए मुझे कब अवेलेबिलिटी मिलेगी, बट द नेक्स्ट टाइम आई स्पीक टू यू आई होप more military women are connected to you. Thank you for this insightful conversation.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. It was lovely. It was such a easy conversation to have with
Yeah.
you. Thank you so much for having me.
I hope everybody liked this episode, and if you did, I request all to please like, share, comment and subscribe. And yes, do go and check out Happily Ever After. Although I know काफी लोगों ने already follow कर रखा है. I know a lot of people from my page who do. Not that it needs any promotion. If you ever need any gifting merchandise or military merchandise, please do go to Happily Ever After. The link is in the description below. Thank you everybody.